Our Hiligaynon word for the day is dupla. Dupla. When we say dupla, that means to spittle, saliva, rheum, or sputum. It can also mean to spit, eject spittle, or expectorate. Dupla. Let us have the following sample sentences using the Hiligaynon word dupla. Hindi ka magdupla diri. Hindi ka magdupla diri. That means don't spit here. Hindi ka magdupla diri. Hindi mo pagduplaan ang salog kay may duluplaan. Hindi mo pagduplaan ang salog kay may duluplaan. That means don't expectorate on the floor, for there is a spit on. Hindi mo pagduplaan ang salog kay may duluplaan. Dupla ka sang minama mo or idupla mo ang imo minama. Dupla ka sang minama mo, idupla mo ang imo minama. That means spit out the betel nut juice. Dupla ka sang minama mo, idupla mo ang imo minama. Sino ang nagdupla diri? Sino ang nagdupla diri? That means who spat here, or we also have luad, or you can also use dula or dura. That means luad means to spit out unpalatable food or others. Sino ang nagdupla diri? And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, dupla. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.